Hi guys, my name is Petra and I just received new package from UniWigs. This time I ordered a human hair wig called Perfection, 14-inch length, and let me style it. First step is I'm going to brush my hair and I'm gonna split it in two pieces and create two small ponytails. Okay, so after I created these two ponytails, I'm going to take these bobby pins and remove my hair. Okay, so after I put my hair, I'm going to show you the wig. So let's try it on. And here it is. What do you think? Should I go dark brown again?